Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So tonight, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng overnight oats. Meron akong dalawang recipe dito guys na i-share sa inyo. Isang chocolate and isang strawberry. So if you're interested on how I prepare these two overnight oats right here, please keep on watching. Okay guys, let's start. So first up is yung oatmeal. Ideally, dapat rolled oats siya, kaya lang hindi siya available dito sa amin. So, I used instant oatmeal instead. You can also add something like this in your overnight oats. This is a good source of fiber. This is Tesco Super Berry Granola. It contains, yun nga, granola, cranberries, pumpkin seeds, blackcurrants, blueberries, and cranberries. You can also add some trail mix. Kaya lang medyo limited kasi yung availability ng mga products dito sa amin. So, ito lang yung nakita ko na pwedeng ipalit or ilagay sa aming overnight oats. Next guys is yung chia seeds. The one that I have here is from Naturally Good Company. So chia seeds are considered superfood kasi madami siyang health benefits guys. So meron siyang omega-3, protein, fiber, naglo-lower siya ng blood cholesterol, nagpapababa siya ng blood pressure, and you might wanna check yung other pang benefits ng chia seeds. So this one is good for your health. For the overnight oats, sa morning, kasi nga nababad na siya, parang nagiging ano siya guys, para siyang sago, ganon, pero still may crunchiness pa rin yung pinakaloob niya. So, maganda siyang isama sa mga oatmeal, sa smoothie, sa shake, ganyan. So, one scoop is enough na, or sa preference niyo pa rin. Okay, you can also put Vitamilk, pero you can put any milk of your choice. Pero sa amin, ito yung nilalagay namin for the chocolate flavor, Vitamilk. Another one is yung cacao nibs. So, consider this din siya as superfood. This one is also from Naturally Good Company. So guys, since sabi ko nga limited yung nabibili dito sa place namin, so wala akong mahanap na strawberry flavored na soy milk or milk. So, ito yung ginamit ko as alternative. So, yung Bear Brand na strawberry milk drink. So, itutunawin nyo lang muna siya sa konting-konting hot water. Then, lalagyan nyo siya ng room temperature na water before nyo siya ilagay din sa inyong overnight oats. So, instead of using sugar, honey yung pwede mong ipalit dun sa sugar para lagyan ng konting sweetness yung iyong overnight oats. So, we want our overnight oats to be a little bit crunchy. So, dinadagdagan namin siya ng konting cereals para maging crunchy siya. Usually, nilalagay namin to sa morning na before kainin. But, syempre, preference nyo pa rin. You can also use or you can also put fresh fruit sa inyong overnight oats. Kaya lang, if ever gagawin nyo yun, sa morning nyo na siya ilagay para fresh pa rin siya pag kinain nyo.